Hi, I'm Lorraine Dallmeier and I'm the Director of Formula Botanica, the award-winning and accredited online organic cosmetic science school. And in this mini-series we're talking about the biggest mistakes we see made by artisan cosmetic formulators when they first start formulating. In the first two episodes we talked about the fear of failure that a lot of people feel, and also the fact that a lot of people try to run before they can walk, before they have the skills to do the high performance things that they want their products to be able to achieve. In this episode, I want to talk to you about incorrect ingredient usage. And unfortunately, this is something I see a lot. A lot of the people who start out wanting to be artisan formulators are self-taught. And they'll go onto the internet and they'll read blogs and they'll go onto Facebook and Pinterest and Instagram and they'll see all these lovely infographics and they'll be applying the ingredients that they've been taught from these websites. Unfortunately, there is a lot of misinformation out there. And a lot of it's also quite dangerous. So to give you an example, one of the main ingredients that we see misused all the time is rose absolute or rose essential oil. A lot of people come to us and they're using it in very high percentages. Upwards of 1% of their product might consist of rose. But actually, here in the EU in particular, it's regulated and you cannot use more than about 0.02% of rose absolute in your formulation because it contains methyl eugenol, which is a suspected carcinogen. This ingredient, this essential oil, is also regulated by IFRA, the International Fragrance Association. But when you go onto all these blogs and all these social media channels, you're not taught this. If you're on a Facebook group learning how to formulate, then you won't necessarily have the correct information. And the same also goes for many other ingredients. You need to learn at what dosages you can apply them, whether there are any risks on the skin, and what you should be using in which applications. Now, these are all things we teach at Formula Botanica, which is why I encourage you to get a professional education if you want to become an artisan skincare formulator. So that's my third tip. Make sure if you're out there learning about ingredients on the internet, make sure you get yourself a proper education to learn how to do it from qualified professionals, because this is unfortunately a mistake that we see a lot of skincare formulators make. So I hope you're enjoying this short series. If you are, leave me a comment below and tell me about your plans and your dreams of being a formulator. And if you're watching this anywhere other than on the Formula Botanica blog, please head on over to formulabotanica.com and come and check out and sign up for the sample class that we have there.